Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make instantly Malai Tikka in a frying pan. This is the perfect appetizer for any parties or occasions. It is slightly charred from outside, while the inside is very tender and juicy. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. To watch the videos in Hindi, click on the link in description box below. I have taken about 850 gram of boneless chicken. To it, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, half tablespoon of green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of salt or add as desired, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1½ tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1/3 cup of yogurt, 5 tablespoons of cream, ½ cup of chopped coriander leaves. We're going to marinate this for 15 to 30 minutes. In a pan, add about 1/4 cup of oil. Add the marinated chicken. Cook on a medium flame for 5 minutes. Then flip once. Now we will cover with the lid and cook for another 5 minutes on a medium flame. It's been 5 minutes. Now we're going to stir it gently. Cook until the chicken is golden on both sides and is slightly charred. Once done, remove from flame and serve it with a yogurt or a mint dip. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel.